Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video with the good old Dominic, of course.
Hey.
Yeah, it's so cheese, but we're my first videos. I don't give a fuck.
It's not your first video, baby. Oh yeah, change the layout of the map still.
Yeah, this is it every day, like every 2 and 3 days. What?
No weeks. No, actually weeks. I just put a big item to your backpack.
Crazy.
Now it's good. Hey buddy.
Is that?
We're not stuck. We're not scared of it. We're not scared of it.
It's steady. Dominic is getting angry.
Take some
Skateboard! Yay!
Take your skateboard. I just deleted your skateboard.
Crazy. No, it's still here.
And ruby. Here, take a ruby. Here, I have 1 ruby for you and 1 ruby for you. I don't want these items. You too, and you too. I think we have to go over there. There was monster punching.
Yeah, I think too.
Okay, monster, I want you to take. Why did I put in my bread? Take this.
Is it?
Maybe.
He didn't like that. He didn't like that. Oh, Dominic, he's
One time and he's gonna be angry. I think 2 times and he's gonna be fully angry. No, 1 time.
He turned right though.
Better? It's gonna be another one too. Oh, this little
Yeah, that too.
Oh, he's actually really close to me. Oh, fast. Eat it.
Oh fuck!
Ah.
Oh my god.
Fast. And a big gate.
Oh. Okay.
Don't touch the red one.
Yeah, I know. Guys, if you want to this part, you have to go to the. I don't know.
Oh, my flashlights.
What?
I did a fucking double jump my flashlight. Just come over here. I lost my flashlight because I just double jumped in my flashlight just by the way.
How did you?
Oh no, man.
It's probably in the back rooms.
Oh my god. Can't see shit in here. Yeah, I don't even know what the lights are scary. I'm in a bit. Oh.
Is it? Dominic!
I see after you! Fuck alone! Cause stand still, I got it! Oh, without the light is so annoying. You're making me a... Oh, wait, hold on.
What's that?
What happened? I flashbang. Bro, I can't see. The light just... I'm not wasting space over there. Bro, actually, can you give me the light? Because I might look my out.
For
I
what?
can't see shit. You give me a flashlight.
For you can see my light too.
Yeah, but it fucking sucks.
Nah, it's alright though.
No, it's gay. Oh my god, the exit just right here. We just went the wrong way. It sucks.
Guys, I think we went the wrong way.
No, we can. I can't kill him with these things, so fuck that fucking pipe.
Oh, that's. Oh, now we are at Diddy, right?
No, there's multiple of them. There's maybe 3 of them.
Then it's the Diddy party. Why aren't we going up here?
No, I mean to do that anyway.
My headset just got in the past through. Wow, you are so.
It's too fucking basic.
Why aren't we going on the surfers?
You can't do that, but it's gonna.
That's good. I hope.
Careful. Don't fall down. Oh shit, what is
I
it?
can't see it. Nothing.
Yeah, because these fucking things suck. Wait,
Oh my god.
kinda see. You can kinda see.
I'm just warning you.
Wait, look how they can hear us in game. I died.
Die messen het wel. Is hij eens?
No, he's blind. You can hear when they go.
I almost died. He already touched me. Of nicht.
You have a thing. You have a thing on your.
Wait, I'm with.
You have a thing on your. You have a thing on your foot.
Let me end the recording. I'm not recording this part.
No.
Hi guys, after right, Dominic, you did it in the first try, right?
Stop the cap.
That thing wasn't here before, that eye.
Yeah, I know.
They killed by these guys. Wait, I don't want to see it. Come on here. Oh, the eye does not even care. He doesn't care. Wait, look here. Get the other one. I know a way out. Should be in this. Go be careful by these guys. No.
I know that one's not you.
Yeah, but I find some cover. Then he won't kill you. They won't kill you. See up there? Sure that is. There it is. Be careful. Water does not kill you, but you have to make it sound. Wait. If you fall down, you can go over there on the servers. So just if you fall down. I mean, this one damages you though. No. Oh wait, it doesn't. We're good. Don't touch the water, maybe it'll kill you.
Yeah, I think it does.
Only stomach acid. I mean, stomach is acid.
Okay, guys. Now
Whatever.
how much did we make money?
I think we got it all. Maybe. Wait. Wait, no! Wait!
Ha, too sad. And we made
nice.
$2,000. We did $2,000 a nut, and that means that's the end of the.
Bing, and now time. Look, be careful, there's a monster that might actually.
Are you my friend?